A hub leader is a mentor selected by the state as part of the SSIP. The hub leader mentors teachers in their school and in charges of 5 to 10 primary schools. They do this through hub meetings and support visits. In this video, 3 hub leaders share their journey and feedback about the SSIP.
Initially, we took a lot of time to get into the framework of the Shala Siddhi program. Earlier, we never had any parameters. We were going as per what we felt was right. Now here we are having specific parameters which can evaluate our performance and how to go about in correcting. This is a very good tool for school improvement. We have learned, okay Baba, it should have been in this particular manner, we should be doing in this particular manner. So we have realized where we are lacking, and on that we have started improving. So this is actually a very innovative program. So now we have got into what it is, the whole program means bringing an improvement. Even me as a leader, where I was failing, how to go about motivating. So it's been, the whole journey's been of learning, and learning for the first time and then following. Now we are into the track, you can say that we are doing things that have to be done.
As a hub leader, initially I didn't understand the concept. Maybe because I was already given an additional charge, so I was doing 2 schools. So I didn't get so much of time to actually go through the matter. So that was something which was not coming from my side. But then whatever was been told, like through support visits, and I was just visiting the schools and then trying to understand. But when I truly understood what exactly the standards, and that really helped me. And even the workshops that were held in the SCRT by the department, that also really helped me. When I saw the resources that they were working in, I saw the teachers' experience about the past and what changes they saw after SSIP was started, in their school, implemented as such. That actually, reflected me, and I said, no, even I want to do it for my school and for my hub schools. So that really helped me. Like sometimes the in-charge teachers, they were knowing little bit of it, but the teachers were not aware of it. So the first thing I understood was I took a meeting with the teachers of my school, and same thing I went to the schools and to the meeting of those schools. So the teachers understood it, what exactly is SSIP, because they have been told by the in-charge to do this and do that. But it was like extra work for them. They didn't understand that it will actually help them for understanding the learners or for their teaching process. And also the heads of the school were taking so much of interest. That actually encouraged me, and I said that no, I have to do my duty. And though I was feeling bit I'm quite new and I will not be able to cope up, but then I said no, I don't mind if it takes more time also for me, but I will start it. And I think it was it is like it's you who desires to make it. And that actually made me, of course, looking at the other heads and the practices, and every time we have these groups and wherein they've been saying that my school has been confirmed, that also was one thing which I said no, my school, and that is what school. I had to change my teacher's perspective, actually my perspective, and then I moved on to the other school. So I did the confirmation my school first, and then today I confirm with the other school. My next step is, first from my school, is whatever we have done, I want to continue it. And because of that, I have not taken a standard, still a new one, because I want to do work on this. I want to actually see the impact of this, and then we are going to take to the next standard. I got to know so many things which I was not aware. Maybe it would have taken for me many more years if SSIP would have not happened when I have joined. So thanks to SSIP.
Since the systematic school improvement program started, the journey was fruitful as well as challenging. I would say that it was fruitful because high schools as well as primary schools got a direction and how to improve upon the classroom interaction. Because of SSIP, we got to know we are more focused because we follow the criteria. We have the domains, we have the standards. Now we know that in each domain, what are the standards and what are the criteria that we need to follow, so that we can move from one level to another level. So if those criteria were not there, we would move, but that movement would not have been we reach a destination. Now we know that we can reach a destination of level 2, and if we go a little further, we can reach the destination of level 3. So we know in advance what we must do to reach up to that level. everyone wants to improve, everyone wants to stand out, and everyone wants to be appreciated as well. So keeping this in mind, yeah, it's that spirit is there, which was not so, I mean, it was there, but not to that extent. Today we want to do better and better.